Hi Sagittarius! Welcome again sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Gagawin natin ngayon ang inyong general reading para sa buwan ng April 2024. Current energy check-in to and maaaring mag-resonate to onto the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? And sasabihin ko lang before anything else na ito ay isang collective reading. So a friendly reminder, so it may or may not resonate to certain people or group kasi collective reading to, it's not personal reading. Maaring mag-resonate to into a certain collective that channel natin yung energy. And if it doesn't resonate with you, it only means na I will tap into your energy next time and look forward onto your next month reading if that's the case, okay? And sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat sa pakikinig sa inyong Tagalog readings monthly. Okay? So, collective Sagittarius, i-shuffle ko lang muna yung mga cards again in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in few seconds. Alright? Hi again, Sagittarius. So, umpisahan na natin ang inyong general life reading. Current energy check-in to for the month of April 2024. And maaaring mag-resonate tong collective reading na to into the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng 7 baraha sa oracle card na to. By the way, itong oracle card na to ay ang Keepers of the Light Oracle cards by Kyle Gray. Kasi ang cards na to are mostly your ascendant masters and spirit guides. Okay, what do they need to tell you as of April? Current energy check-in, ginagawa natin ang reading na to sa kasalukuyan April 14, 2024 sa ganap na 11:24 PM. Okay, kuha tayo ng 7 bara. Alright, are you ready, Sagittarius? Okay, at position 1 meron kang si Diana, focus intention. Okay. At position 2, Sag, nandyan si Commander Ashtar, call to action. At position 3, nandyan si Hilarion, divine healing. Okay. Ito yung mga usually spirit guides and mga gods and goddesses sa kahit anong religion, okay, or belief system. Okay. At position 4, nandiyan ang ating cover, no? Yung featured cover ng oracle card na to, Holy Amethyst Divine Alchemy. So, mapapansin nyo dito, guys, na meron kang divine healing and divine alchemy. Alright? Now, at position 5, nandiyan si Isis Magic Manifesting. Okay? And at position 6, nandiyan si Archangel Michael. Ito yung first time na nag-appear si Archangel Michael sa reading na to so far. Ginawa ko yung Libra and Capricorn and ikaw yung pangatlo, Sagittarius, no? Trusting Heaven at position 6. At ang yung final card at the center, Sagittarius, nandiyan si Brigid. Okay, first time din yung nag-appear sa inyo, Inner Strength. Okay, are you ready sa inyong general life reading? Umpisahan na natin. At position 1, makikita mo si Diana, focus, intention. Okay, iusog lang natin, guys, para makita nyo yung ibang cards na hindi kita ng camera. Anyway, this is Archangel Michael. Okay, kunin natin si Diana, Goddess Diana. Ang sabi, focus, intention. So, nasa position 1, ito yung kailangan mong i-release. Or, ang i-release kasi is either yung pakawalan mo totally, i-let go, or yung kailangan mong pakawalan or i-unleash para sa ikabubuti mo. So, I think yung pangalawa. Sabi dito, think about what you desire. Okay? For sure, lahat tayo may gusto sa buhay natin. Are we manifesting? Or do we want money? Do we want success? Gusto ba natin ng increase sa money or stability and security? Maraming savings? Or gusto ba natin mag-acquire ng property? You know, these things na importante sa inyo. Ano yung pinaka-importante na intentions or desires mo right now? Doon tayo mag-focus. Yun ang sinasabi. Set your sights high. So, pag nag-set tayo ng ating intention, always look out na it will always turns out positive. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Set your sights high. Okay? Yung vision mo, it's for the long term. Yun ang importante dito, okay? Hindi short term. Anything na gagawin mo, yung desire mo, yung intention mo, ifo-focus mo doon, at dapat you consider it for long term. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Hindi pang short term. Expect the best possible outcome all the time. So, pag nag-set ka ng intention, let's say, gusto ko ng perfect health, gusto ko ng mabayaran yung loan ko, or magkaroon ako ng savings this year na sabihin natin 200,000 pesos, okay? Dapat yung focus mo nandun sa desire mo. Kailangan daw ng focus dun sa intention na yon. Okay, into the next 3 to 6 months, kung alam mo na ngayon yung dinidesire mo, kung alam mo yung intention na gusto mong mangyari from that particular na dinidesire mo, na gusto mong ma-achieve, no? Nandun ang focus mo dapat in the next 3 to 6 months and maybe more so. Okay? So, think about it. Kung ano yung pinakagusto mo. Doon tayo mag-focus. One intention at a time ang nire-recommend ko. Pero pwede rin namang marami pag sabay-sabayin mo. But, ang maganda kasi, hindi ka tayo distracted, no? So, pag nandiyan ang intention na yon, no? Yung goal na yan, you have to make sure na makukuha mo siya, and yung antaas-taas na expectation mo, you set your sights high, yung vision mo, hindi pang sights are vision, diba? Another word for vision, hindi pang short term. Ang isipin mo dito, ina-advise sa'yo, isipin mo yung pang long term na mangyayari o gusto mong ma-achieve from that, sa dinidesire mo. Whatever it is, career, money man yan. Expect the best possible outcome. Huwag ka agad mag-isip ng negative. Yun ang sinasabi dun sa position 1 mo. Okay? Always think of the best outcome sa kahit anong mga dreams mo and aspirations. Now, at position 2, kailangan mo namang ipagpatuloy. Nandiyan si Commander Ashtar, call to action. So, sinasabi dito, activity, movement, yun kailangan mong gawin, work hard, no? Pag may gusto tayo, we need to make it happen. Paano mo naman gagawin? Of course, kailangan may follow through. May initiative tayo, okay? May ginagawa tayo to make it happen. O kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, put an action to it, no? Parang, kailangan, di ba, yung sasakyan, nilalagyan mo ng langis, or ng gas, di ba, ng diesel, para umandar, di ba? It's mechanic. So, ganun din ng mga gusto natin mangyari sa ating future, di ba? It's also, think of it parang sasakyan na kailangan, may nagmamaniobra, kailangan ng gasolina para umandar, di ba? Call to action. So, sinasabi, take charge, lead by example, and walk your talk. So, yun nga, guys. It's more than just talking or affirming na ito yung gusto mong mangyari. Kailangan binaback upan natin siya ng action. So, yun yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. So, lahat ng intentions and desires mo, sinasabi dito, make something, no? Na to make it come true, na magkakatotoo yun. Okay? Ano yung kailangan mong gawin? Ano yung mga steps na dapat mong gawin para ma-achieve mo yun? So, back upan daw ng action, ng movement. Okay? Yun yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. I think ginagawa mo na to. So, continue doing it. Okay? Now, sa manifestation, position 3, divine healing, nandiyan si Hilarion. Okay, green is for healing. Okay, green is for abundance, prosperity, and at the same time, health. Okay, and healing ng puso, heart chakra. Okay, ang color talaga ng heart chakra, guys, is green. Okay, well, yung blood natin, yung heart natin, of course, it's red, no, pero yung, kasi we're composed of blood, no, tayo as human being, pero yung chakra, yung energy ng healing and ng heart is green. Ako talaga, for some reason, ever since, di ko pa alam to, favorite color ko talaga is green, and then I found out ang green is associated with success, prosperity, abundance, and good health. Okay? Now, ang sinasabi dito, honor your sensitivity, retreat to recharge and heal. Your light can support others. Okay, so there's this situation or setback recently where kailangan mong bumawi, no? Sa mga, okay? So, in order for you to manifest, for me, yung sinasabi ito is more like an advice or a reminder for you na to manifest, kailangan mo muna mag-heal. Okay? Pag sinabi kasi divine healing, it's not only physical health mo, but more so yung soul mo, no? Maybe you've been through a lot, pagod tayo, we get tired, spiritually tired din tayo. We all get tired at one point, no? hindi lang to yung physical tiredness, no? It's more yung mental, yung mind, body, and spirit natin. So, sinasabi dito, no, i-honor mo. Honor the feeling na you feel emotionally tired or burdened lately, mentally tired, spiritually tired. Okay, maybe you're doing the work, a lot of inner work, energy work, pero spiritual work, but it seems like parang there's a roadblock, di ba? Or we're stuck. Okay? But that's okay. Okay? We've been through that. I've experienced also setbacks, and that's okay. At sinasabi dito, retreat to recharge and heal. So, kung pagod, magpahinga. As simple as that. Physical health man yan, emotional or mental or mind, body, and spirit, mag-recharge and heal ang ina-advise sa'yo para makapag-manifest ka. So, feeling ko, kasi pag nag-manifest tayo, remember, no, nasa position 3 to, yung kailangan mo, yung mga dapat mo i-manifest. So, I feel like advice to na, kailangan kasi nasa good energy tayo pag nag-manifest. So, before you come to that state ng manifestation, no, kailangan kasi balance yung mind, body, and spirit mo. Okay? So, nurture them. Yun ang advice dito. So, that's the point ng card na to. Ang sinasabi kasi, retreat to recharge and heal. So, work on those things na feeling mo imbalance ka in your mind ba? Are you mentally stressed? Like, ang dami mong iniisip? Spiritually stressed ka ba? Like, you don't know what to believe anymore? Or yung faith mo ba is maybe wavering these days or not, no? And kung sa spirit are we lacking yung yung zest or yung parang interest sa buhay lately? So work on it muna bago tayo mag-manifest, kasi kailangan balance tayo, no? Body, mind, and spirit natin, it's ready. Dapat in alignment sila sa gusto mo. Gusto mo yung isang bagay, but maybe you're not mentally ready, you're not physically ready, you need to recuperate, you need to rest, or spiritually you're not ready. So do something para magkaroon ng alignment yung mind, body, spirit mo, yung energy mo, at yung intention mo. Okay? Sa manifestations to. Now, interesting kasi external energy, lumabas yung cover card, si Holy Amethyst, and din Divine Alchemy. So, meron kang divine healing, no? So, for you, no, advice to as a roadblock sa mga manifestations mo, okay? Whatever it is, so, heal, okay? And then, that's the only time you can manifest. Ngayon, external energies mo, napakaganda. May divine alchemy. Kasi mga alchemists, di ba? Yan yung nag-master na nagbe-blend ng something eh. Tinatransmute, parang gano'n, tinatransmute yung energy to make something from it. Okay, yun yung divine alchemy. But this is divine alchemy kasi may alchemist talaga eh. Move beyond current challenges. So you see, I felt like yung divine healing na to, whatever it is, mind, body, and spirit mo, na may challenge na nangyari sa'yo in the recent weeks or days, no, past few weeks or months. Okay, so move beyond current challenges. Yung external energies mo, I think, there will be a push, no, na makakatulong para you can move past yung mga difficult times. Okay, focus on what you desire. Okay, so, you see, lumabas si Diana, focus daw sa intention, and then si Holy Amethyst, focus on what you desire. Alam mo bang amethyst crystal is in charge for healing also, para sa peace, calmness, okay? So, this is something, yung transmutable energy na to, okay? Sinabi external, no? But it's calming, it's peaceful. So, finally, may calming energy for the month of April as of now, current energy check into, all the way to the next 3 to 6 months para sa'yo. Okay, na it will help you para malagpasan yung mga problems mo in the past few months and few weeks, okay? Basta i-focus mo daw yung sarili mo. Huwag mong kakalimutan. Focus intention and mag-focus ka dun sa desire mo. Kasi sinabi yan sa focus intention eh. Think about what you desire. Think about what you desire. Think about what you desire. At sinabi dito uli, Divine Alchemy, move beyond current challenges. Focus on what you desire. Focus on what you desire. So, don't lose track. So, what you desire this year or in the next 6 months, dun ka mag-focus. Okay? Love life, career ba yan? Money, dun mo muna i-focus yung intention. Okay? Now, Position 5, nandiyan si Isis, Egyptian goddess, magic manifesting. Ito yung kailangan maibigay sa sarili mo. So, manifestations mo, may roadblock ka, there's something na kailangan mong i-heal, something na sabihin na natin, it could be in your mind, body, or spirit. So, you need to heal from it in order to manifest something. But, ang kailangan maibigay sa sarili mo nga, yung magic manifesting. But sinabi natin may roadblock ka. Nandiyan yung Egyptian goddess na si Isis. Siyang most powerful Egyptian goddess, no? But ang sabi dito, yung kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo is your ability to believe that you can manifest. Okay? Your dreams, yung visions mo, and yung goals mo, magiging realidad. Okay? So, yung kailangan mong paniwalaan. That's why nandiyan yung focus intention, focus on what you desire, and maniwala ka na makukuha mo yon. You can make it into reality. Yun ang sinasabi. Stay focused. I cannot emphasize more on that kasi 3 times na sinabi. Focus intention, focus on what you desire. At sinabi uli ni Isis, no, stay focused na sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-manifest. Pero, ang sinabi naman, reminder, no, for you to manifest sa position 3, you need to heal, no? Okay? Divine healing to. Whatever is, work on it as soon as possible para makakapag-create ka ng mga bagong reality sa buhay mo. Okay? Now, kasi you have the ability, no, yung kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo is to believe sa magic, to believe that you have the power. Yung thoughts mo, yung focus and intention mo, may power yan para magkatotoo, to be a reality. Okay? Now, at position 6, no, Sagittarius, nandyan si Archangel Michael. Trust in heaven. Sa new beginnings mo, sinasabi ni Archangel Michael, magtiwala sa heaven. You're Catholic, you're Christian for sure, whatever it is, but most likely, kung nandyan sa new beginnings mo yan, in Tagalog reading to, you're most likely Christian or Catholic, diba? Catholic are the first Christians, but anyway, Tagalog reading naman tayo, so I trust na lahat tayo, mga Kristiyano. Anyway, nag-appear si Archangel Michael, you need to connect with him if that's necessary para sa inyong mga new beginnings. Okay? Ask for his protection kasi siya ang leader ng mga legions of angels sa heaven, diba? Trust in him daw and trust God. So, ang sabi dito, interesting, no? You are safe. Yung mga new beginnings mo, huwag kang matakot. Angels stand close to you. Nandiyan si Archangel Michael. Maybe siya ang guide mo on this reading, this April current energy check-in to just, ipaalala sa'yo, hey, nandito kami para bantayan ka. Okay? Connect with him, say the prayer ni Archangel Michael or yung novena ni Archangel Michael for your new beginnings, no? I think na sinasabi dito, protect whatever yung something na sisimulan mo. And to protect yourself, no, hindi lang yan yung poprotekta mo physically yung sarili mo, but protect yourself also sa mga negative energy, negative intentions, and bad vibes, and yung thoughts, mind, and spirit mo rin protected. So, get close to the angels, no? Archangel Michael, specifically. Ang sabi dito, surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. Sa mga new beginnings mo, possible na yun nga you need to stay focused sa intention mo kasi may ability ka to create a reality. And sometimes it's either magic or a miracle, no? Yung mga new beginnings na papasok sa'yo, Sagittarius. Okay, napakaganda nito. Now, at the center, Sag, meron ka namang si Bridget. First time yung nag-appear so far sa ating reading this month. Inner strength daw. So, lesson you need to learn here, or maybe hindi mo pa natututunan, ngayon mo palang marirealize nung napanood mo yung reading na to na maniwala ka sa inner strength mo. Okay? Kasi nga, nandiyan yung magic manifesting. Ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. So, you have the power na magka-create ng bagong simula. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa heaven, kay Archangel Michael, sa Panginoon natin. Mag-focus ka sa intention and desire mo. Back it up with action, but at the same time, yung kailangan mong i-heal, gawin mo yon. Do the work. May inner work kang gagawin doon. Okay? May roadblock. A little roadblock lang naman. Okay, ang sabi dito kay Bridget, move back to wholeness. So, I felt like you're broken or you're lost or parang the lack of direction. Sinasabi dito, be back on track daw, Sagittarius. Be back on track kasi sinabi niya, no? Move back to wholeness. So, focus on what you desire. Stay focused. Expect the best possible outcome. Think about what you desire. Focus intention. Focus, focus, focus. Sinabi 3 times. So, you have that strength Yung sinasabi dito. So, maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Recognize that you have the power. See, hindi ko pa nababasa yung second line. Sinabi ko na maniwala ka sa sarili mo. So, yun yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan dito, that you are powerful manifestor. You are a powerful creator. You can make anything happen sa buhay mo. So, don't despair. Don't lose hope. Okay? So, I hope nag-resonate tong reading na to for the month of April. Current energy check-in to all the way to the next 3 to 6 months for you, collective Sagittarius. If doesn't resonate, then I'll tap into your energy next time. Take care, Sagittarius. God bless. Mahal ko kayo. See you in your next month reading. Bye!